Guys, welcome back with the second puzzle in this additional of today's newspaper on Thursday, April the 4th, 2024. And I've already solved a one puzzle, the 3 star Sudoku. So 3 puzzles are left: the binary, the jigsaw Sudoku, and this one, yes, the 4 star Sudoku number. This will be number 8304. 8304. And before I start, I always count the print digits. This one has, as usual, 24 printed digits. Yes. 4 star Sudoku has always 24 printed digits. It's a kind of indication of the difficulty level. The less printed digits, the more it will be difficult, but you cannot always say that. Sometimes you have a puzzle with a lot of pairs, a lot of hidden numbers, then you will need more time to solve that puzzle. But for 4 stars puzzle, we need 30 minutes or more to solve. That's my time limit. 30 minutes or more. Is this really a 4 stars? We don't know. We will see. So let's get started. Let me scan the puzzle. We have here 4 ones. All right. We have here 2 twos. We have here 2 threes. We have here 1 4. We have here 1 5. We have here 3 sixes. Or 2 sevens. 4 eights. Okay. And 2 nines. 3 nines. So the ones and eights are in majority. Can I start with the 8, not with the 1. No, I need to wait. Okay, with 8s. 8 in this row, 8 in the middle row. So the row above, the only place level 8. Shoot there. 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is an 8. We have 8 in the first column, no 8 in these 2 boxes. 8 in the last row, no 8 in that box. So 1 box left with 8 in this big square. Shoot there. 8, 8. Okay. 8, 8. Well, I cannot continue with 8. 8, 8. I need to wait. Alright. Then 9, 9, 9, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 9. We have a 9 in the first row, no 9 in these 3 boxes. Here 9 in this last column, no 9 in those 2 boxes. So 1 box left with a 9 in this big square. Shoot there. Now we have 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of them, oh wait, let me continue with the 9. 9 in this column, 9 in the last column, so the column 3. No, only 2 places left with 9 should be here or there. We have a 9 in the middle row, no 9 there. 9 should be there. 9 in this row, 9 in the row below. So last row, the only 2 places left with 9 should be here or there. We have a 9 in this column, no 9 there. 9 should be there. 9 in this column, 9 in that column, so the column 3 in the middle column. The only 2 places left with the 9 should be here or there. We have a 9 in this row, no 9 there. 9 should be there. 9 in the last row, 9 in that row. So the row between, the only place left with the 9 should be there. 9 in the first column, 9 in the second column. So the third column, the only 3 places left with the 9 should be here or there. We have a 9 in the first row, no 9 there. 9 in the second row, no 9 there. The only place left with the 9 should be there. And all the 9s are used. I can see. Digit number 1, number 9. Alright, how about the 8 now? 4 missing numbers. In this big square, one of the missing numbers is an 8. We have 8 in the first row, no 8 in these 3 boxes. So 1 box left with 8 in this big square. Should be there. 8 in the last column, 8 in the column next. On that column, there only 2 places left with 8. Should be here or there. We have 8 in this row, no 8 there. 8 should be there. The 8 in this first column, 8 in the third column, so the column 3 in the second column. The only 3 places left with 8 should be here or there. We have 8 in the first row, no 8 there. 8 in the third row, no 8 there. The only place left for the 8 should be there. And all the 8s are used. I can see. Digit number 2, number 8. Okay. We have let me see. 2 missing numbers in this big square. 4 numbers to 1. 2 is missing. 3, 4, 5, and a 6 is missing. 2 and a 6, 2 and a 6. We have a 2 in the last row. No 2 there. 2 should be here, and a 6 goes at there. Alright, then 1, 4, 5, 1, 4, 5. Okay. Let me think. 2, 2. I need 2, 2, 2, 2. Yeah, I'm thinking. 7. Yeah. 7. Well, we have here 7 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 7. We have a 7 in the middle column, so no 7 in these 3 boxes. We have 7 in the second row, no 7 in those 3 boxes. So the 7 in this big square could be here, could be there. 7 in one of those 2 boxes in the third row, 7 in the second row. So in the first row, the only 3 places left for the 7 should be here, or there. We have a 7 in this column, no 7 there. 7 in the second column, no 7 there. The only place left for the 7 should be there. Alright. And now, 6 in the third column. 6 in the second column. So in the first column, only 2 places left for the 6 should be here, or there. We have a 6 in the third row, no 6 there. 6 should be there. Alright. Okay. 7. Okay. Well. 7. I need a 6 here. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 2, 4, 2, 4, 3, 2, 4, 3, 2, 4, 3. Well. Okay, I need more numbers here. This will be difficult. 1. Need a 1 here. And 2 there. I'm thinking 3. No. Yeah. 6 in the third row, 6 in the second row. So in the first row, the only place left for the 6 should be there. Need a 6 there. And I need a 6 here also, but also the 7. 2 missing numbers in the last row for numbers 1 and 2. 3 is missing, the 4 and the 5 is missing. 3 and a 5, 3 and a 5. We have a 3 in the last column, no 3 there. 3 should be here. 5 goes there. 4 missing numbers now in this big square. 2 of those missing numbers are the 6 and the 7. We have a 6 and a 7 in this column. No 6 and a 7 in these 2 boxes. 6 and the 7 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. So the other pair in this big square are the numbers. The 1, the 2 is missing. The 3 and 4 is missing. 2 and a 4, 2 and a 4. We have a 2 in this row. No 2 there. 2 should be here and a 4 goes at there. Then 1 and the 5, 1 and the 5. 1 and the 5 are missing. Okay. Need a 6 there. Need a 7 here. Okay. Well. Need a 4 here. Come on. Yeah. Need a 1 here. 1. Come on, we need a 1 there. So here can be 1. Can be 1. 1. 1. Well. I'm still thinking. 7, 6, and then need a 4 here. 1 and a 5. Overlooked something. How about the 3? Need a 3 here. No 3 here. 3 should be there. 3 should be, yeah. 6 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 3. We have a 3 in the second row. No 3 in these 3 boxes. So the 3 could be in one of these 3 boxes. So we have a 3 in one of these 3 boxes. In the third row, 3 in the second row. So in the first row, only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We have 3 in this column, no 3 there, 3 should be there. So these 3 numbers should be 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, the 4 is missing, and the 5 is missing. 1, 4, 5. That means 1 digit left in this row for number. The 1, the 2 is missing here. Okay. So 1, 1. Yep. 3 missing numbers in this big square. Those missing numbers are 1 is missing, the 2, 3, 4 is missing, and the 5 is missing. 1, 4, 5. 1, 4, 5, 1, 4, 5, 1, 4, 5. And look, we have 1 and 5 in this column. So no 1 and 5 in this box. 1 and 5 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. So 1 digit left in this big square for number 4. 1 box left in the second column for number 1. The 2 is missing. Okay. Now, 2, 2, 2, 2. 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers 2. We have a 2 in this row, no 2 in this box. We have a 2 in that column, no 2 in those 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 2 in this big square. Should be there. 2 in this column, 2 in the middle column. So the column next, now only 2 places left for the 2 should be here or there. We have a 2 in this row, no 2 there. 2 should be there. Okay, so here 3 missing numbers in this row. 4 numbers, 1 is missing. The 2, the 3, 4 is missing. 1, 4, and the 5. 1, 4, 5, 1, 4, 5, 1, 4, 5. Here we have a 1. So the 4, the 5, 1, 4, 5. Okay, I need to wait here. Let me see. 3, need a 3 here. And I need a 4 here. Okay. The 5 could be everywhere. Okay. Need a 1 here. 1, 2. Need a 3 here. 4 here. And the 5 here. Interesting. Yeah, 1 and a 5. How about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 3, 4, 5. Yeah, 3 missing numbers in this row. Those missing numbers in this row are the numbers 1 and 2. 3 is missing. 4 is missing, and a 5 is missing. 3, 4, 5. 3, 4, 5, 3, 4, 5, 3, 4, 5, and look, we have 3 and a 5 in the last column. So no 3 and a 5 in this box. 3 and a 5 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. So 1 digit left in this row for number 4. 4 in this column, 4 in the 4 in the last column, 4 in the column next. So in that column, the only place left the 4 should be there. So 2 numbers left, the 1 and the 5 are left. We have a 5 in the last column, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and a 1 goes there. 1 in the last column, 1 in that column, so the column between, the only place left for the 1 should be there. 7, 6, need 2 here, yeah, 2 in this column, 2 in the column next. So last column, no, the 2 place left for the 2 should be here or there. We have a 2 in this row, no 2 there, 2 should be there. So 2 numbers left in the last column, the 7 and 6. We have a 7 in this row, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 6 goes there. 1 box left in this big square for number 6. 2 missing numbers in this row for numbers 1, the 2, the 3, 4 is missing, the 5 and the 6 is missing, 4 and the 6, 4 and the 6. We have a 6 in this column, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 4 goes there. Then let me see. Well. Okay. How about need a 4 here? Yeah. 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 4. We have a 4 in this column, no 4 in this box. 4 in this row, so no 4 in that box. So 1 box left for the 4 in this big square should be there. So 2 numbers left, the 3 and the 5. Let me mark those. 3 and a 5. Okay. 4 in this row, 4 in the middle row, so the row below, the only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We have 4 in this column, no 4 there, 4, I should be there. So here 2 numbers left, the 1 and the 5. We have a 1 in the middle row, no 1 there, 1 should be here, and the 5 goes there. 1 box left in this big square for number 5. 2 numbers left in this big square for number 1 is missing. The 2 and the 3 is missing. 1 and 3, 1 and the 3. We have a 1 in the middle row, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 3 goes there. Here 2 numbers left. The 3 and the 5. Here also 3 and a 5. That means 1 digit left in the in this big square for number 1. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4. The 5, the 6, the 7 is missing here. Alright. Here 2 numbers left. I believe the 4 and the 5 are missing. We have a 4 in this column, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 5 goes there. 3 missing numbers, 3, 7, and the need a 1 here. Yep. 1 in this column, 1 in the middle column, so the column next. The only place left for the 1 should be there. So the 3 and the 7 are left. We have a 7 in the middle column, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 3 goes there. 1 box left in the middle column for the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4. 5 is missing here. 3 and a 5, we have a 5 now in this column, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 3 goes there. 3 and a 5, we have a 5 in this row, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 3 goes there. And the final 2 numbers in this big square was the 1, the 2, 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, the 6, 7 is missing. So 7 and 3, 7 and 3. We have a 3 in this column, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 7 goes there. Finish in 17 minutes. Well, solve it again. 4 stars, no. 3 stars, no. Let me give this a 2 stars. I'm not faster than 50 minutes. Otherwise, it will be a 2 stars. And I like this one. Yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file, so you can make it or solve it myself. Thank you again for watching. See you in a minute with the other 2 puzzles. Until then, bye-bye for now.